Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
Ong Choy, also known as morning glory, King Kong, or water spinach. It's a fast-growing vegetable that thrives in tropical regions. It grows quickly in wet environments such as riverbanks, swamps, and rice paddies. For some cultures, Ong Choy is more than just a vegetable. It's a symbol of resilience, health, and cultural unity across Asia. Whether served in street stalls or five-star restaurants, Ong Choy brings people together through the shared language of food. Welcome back to another episode of Specialty Eats. Today, we have a returning guest, Alex.
Thank you for the invitation to return to the Special Eats series.
Thank you for coming out. So, what do we have today, Alex?
The main vegetable that we're going to use today is water spinach or Ong Choy. It's a green, soft green vegetable. And some ingredients that we have. It's a very simple dish that goes quite well with rice.
Okay. So, how much oil do we use for
About
this,
3
Alex?
spoons.
3 spoons?
Yeah, 3 tablespoons. Just enough to provide the coating. All right. A little bit more.
A little bit more?
more.
Okay.
Olive oil is helping.
Olive oil, okay.
All right. Okay. We can put in the garlic now.
Garlic, okay. So do we put in all of it?
All of it.
All
Let's
three,
put in
right? You said?
about 3 cloves.
3 cloves, okay.
Just spread it around. Stir it. Okay. Until it becomes a little bit translucent to get out the flavor from the garlic.
Okay.
And what we're going to do after that is we're going to put in the vegetable, which is about now. Now let's pour that in. Okay. There's no meat in this dish, so it's almost wholly vegetarian or vegan, with an exception of oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce, okay. I'm excited, Alex.
All right. Stir this. Stir this around because we're cooking at high heat, so it cooks quite fast.
Okay.
We're almost there now. All right, let's put in a little bit of water, just so that we have some juice. Okay.
Should I put it right in the middle or
Go
just
ahead.
around it?
Oh, you can put it around.
Just around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's add our other ingredients. Start with soy sauce. Not soy sauce, but oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce?
Oyster sauce.
Okay.
We'll pour that in. All right. Thai chili.
Thai chili?
The chili we had chopped and sliced.
I assume that you put as much Thai chili as you want, according to your
taste and tolerance.
Okay.
Okay, let's put that in. This adds some more flavor into the vegetable. And the rest of the ingredient would be black pepper.
That put it now?
You can put it in now.
Do I put all of it or just a pinch?
Just a pinch.
Okay, just a pinch, right?
Maybe one more pinch.
Maybe one more? Okay, so 2 pinch.
2 pinches. Okay. And lastly,
Sugar.
sugar.
Okay.
Same thing.
2
3
pinch?
pinches.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna stir it a couple more times, and the dish is done.
All right. So it smells very good, Alex. I can smell that oyster sauce and that sugar along with it.
Correct. The aroma starts to come out
Okay.
of the dish. So what we can do now is we can cover with the lid and then turn off the heat.
All right.
And the dish
So
will be ready for plating.
we'll cover it up with the lid.
All right.
So we want that.
Let it simmer by
Okay.
itself. We can turn off the heat now. There's some residual heats there.
Okay.
To give the simmering. As you can
Awesome.
see, the vapor starts to come out. So let's turn this off.
Okay.
And
And then we'll just let it cook, right?
Essentially, it's already done.
Oh, okay.
So what we do next is to plate
Awesome.
the dish.
I'm excited, Alex.
Ready
It smells
for
very good.
Tasting.
Awesome.
This will go quite well with steamed rice,
Mm-hmm.
and it also you can also eat it as a side dish with porridge.
Oh, with porridge, okay.
Right.
Any kind of porridge?
Any kind.
Okay.
Any kind. So it's a side dish as well,
Awesome.
or it could be a main dish, right? Like I said, it's almost 100% vegetarian, except the oyster sauce.
Right, I can see because there's no protein in there.
No protein. If you don't want oyster sauce, you can substitute with soy sauce.
Soy sauce, okay.
Yeah, soy sauce.
So I could use like any soy sauce. It could be like light or dark soy
Could be
sauce.
light, preferably light.
Light,
If
okay.
you put in dark soy sauce, it might change the color of the dish.
Oh, okay.
We want to preserve that greenness.
Oh, okay. Understanding.
All right.
Okay, Alex. Well, let's give it a try, shall we?
Let's have a taste.
All
Let's
right.
see how it.
I'm excited, Alex.
Okay, help yourself. There's some pieces of chili.
Oh no.
And also slices of garlic if you want the garlic flavor. Let's have a taste. Okay. Can you taste the garlic and the flavor of chili and oyster sauce flavor as well?
I get that. It definitely has that that spice to it, and that oyster sauce. And my first bite into it, I was able to taste the water spinach. The water spinach is, for me, my first bite into it, it had like that bitterness to it, but after that, a few bites in,
Sweet.
it's sweet.
Okay. You did you tried the leaves. Now let's try the stem.
The stem.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would still retain some of its crunchiness,
Okay.
and it might.
Does the stem taste different from the leaves?
A little bit different from the leaf because the leaves might have some sweetness to it.
Okay.
And the stem, you will see that
Let's try it then.
quite crunchy. Let me get the stem. All right.
Yeah, so the stem tastes different from the leaves. There's no bitterness to it.
Despite it has gone through the heat, it still retains its water content and sweet and crunchiness.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well,
So you
this is
have
very
both
good, Alex.
soft leaves through the cooking process, and the stem still is crunchy. So this is quite a fabulous dish, a vegetable that is quite versatile.
Okay.
We can stir fry it, make it a soup, or eat it raw, or
Awesome.
make it into salad.
Sounds good, Alex. You know, it's very good. You know, if anything, I can't wait to finish it off camera. You know,
This with the steamed rice, above steamed rice, this will go together quite well.
I'm pretty sure you will.
Okay.
Well, Alex, you know, thank you for coming out and teaching us how to make water spinach or how to cook water spinach.
It's my pleasure. It's always a pleasure to be back and be part of Specialty Eats. I also look forward to your other series in cooking specialty Asian specialty crops.
Well, thank you, Alex, for teaching us how to make Ong Choy or water spinach. And with that, happy eatings.